Twitter for Mac. The great news for Mac users is that they can now download Twitter for Mac. It's not that Twitter was never available for Mac, because all the Mac users enjoyed the amazing features of Twitter for a long time. In fact, Twitter for Mac had similar features like Twitter for iPhone. The reason why Twitter app disappeared from the Mac store is that Twitter focused on mobile apps for a long time. Thus, the Twitter app for Mac was neglected for a long time. As a result, it disappeared from the App Store as it wasn't compatible with the latest version of iOS. Apple announced Project Catalyst for macOS 10.15 Catalina, which makes it easy for developers to bring their iPad projects to macOS as native Mac apps. We are excited that Project Catalyst will enable us to bring Twitter back to the Mac by leveraging our existing iOS codebase. We'll also be able to add native Mac features on top of our existing iPad experience, while keeping our maintenance efficient as we continue to improve this shared codebase in the years to come. However, the developers have now put in all the efforts to make this app available for the Mac users. Fortunately, they've successfully launched Twitter for Mac with their endless efforts. In the past, Twitter for Mac app was built with a separate codebase. But the developers have now attached it to the existing iOS codebase. The reason why they've made these changes is that they are trying to increase their clients. The advanced Twitter app is not only useful for the users, but it will bring a lot of benefits for developers as well. That's just because the developers won't have to change the code whenever a new version of Twitter for Mac is launched. The best thing about this latest app is that it won't cover a lot of space on your device. Moreover, it will load faster than the previous app. Many people don't know, but a huge number of Twitter users are the regular users of Mac. And it was quite painful for them that they couldn't use their favorite app for months. However, the new app is equipped with several amazing features. With the latest app, you can enjoy resizable windows with dynamic content, native notifications, multiple windows support, keyboard and drag and drop support. There are plenty of other features you can enjoy with the new Twitter for Mac. If you haven't used Twitter on your Mac device in the past, you shouldn't be worried about using it. This new app comes with a user-friendly interface, and you won't face any problems with understanding different features of the app. After installing the app, you'd have to create a new account by tapping the Sign Up button. And if you already have an account, you can use your credentials to sign into the account. You then be directed to a page where you can see tweets from your followers. Here you can tap the tweet icon to post a tweet, or go to the Notifications tab to take a look at the recent notifications. What to expect in future? The developers are now trying to build the Twitter Lite for Mac so that the users can now save their data while enjoying several features of the app. Similarly, they are making some efforts to make their app more efficient. To learn more about Twitter for Mac and other OS, you can just read more about it from our other blogs related to Twitter by clicking the link in the description.